Hey guys, what's up? What's up YouTube? So today we are going to take a ride in Hyundai Verna. I'm going to show you how easy it's to drive. So let me park it over here and show you how to start the vehicle and move on. So you need to make sure when you're parking the car it should be in park mode, and then there's no need of putting in the key and starting. You just need to button start it. So you need to press the brakes and start by pressing this button, and then from parking mode you need to bring it to the drive mode, pressing this button over here, and then pull the lever down and then leave the brakes. Good thing about Verna is when you leave the brakes and you don't press the accelerator, it moves on very slowly, like how you do it in the manual cars. So, and also I'll be showing you how to use the cruise mode in this car. It's quite fast, pickup. It's quite volatile, this car. It's so easy to drive. So right now all I'm using is the brakes, accelerator and the steering. Later on in another video I'll be showing you how the headlights work. There's a nice feature in the headlight. When you turn it towards the right completely, there's a small light on the right side of the right end of the headlight, which turns on only when you turn the steering towards the right. It's quite useful when you are driving in the night. So after we go to the main road, I'm going to show you how to use the cruise control. Sorry, there's no music right now. So yeah, I know that dog. I think it's a little bit sad because it's hungry. I'll get him some biscuits when I'm coming back to home. Make sure I do that. So to go into cruise mode, you need to be at least above 30. So let's hit around 30 or 40, and what you do now is press this cruise button. Now you can see that cruise mode has popped up, and now to get into cruise mode you need to leave the accelerator and brakes and turn down towards set. So when you press the set button, now you can look, I'm not pressing any brakes or accelerator. The car is moving on its own, and now you can control this vehicle with this. To move more faster, you need to press it up so that it accelerates. You can see the RPMs increasing when you press that. And to slow down the vehicle, you need to press it down. So you basically control this car just by this button. And to unlock cruise mode, you need to press the accelerator, and then to bring it back again, you need to move on 30 or 40 and press set downwards. So right now I'm seeing there are vehicles coming, so I'll hold the brakes manually. So guys, you can see this police standing over there. I don't want to cross that line because my town is in lockdown right now, and they'll probably put a fine on me because I'm inside car and I'm not wearing a mask. So I'll turn right here. Hey, what's up, police? They're doing their job, guys. It's so hard for them. You need to pay respect to them. So let's go into cruise mode again. So now you can see it's in 40 speed. I've pressed cruise button. Now you can see cruise has come up, and now I'm pressing set. So now it has locked the speed. I don't need to press anything. I don't need to accelerate, don't need to press the brakes. It goes on the speed that I've locked it on, and that is 35-25. So now I need to go a little bit faster. So I'll just accelerate a little bit. I'll put this forward and you can see it goes a little bit faster. And when you leave it at whatever speed that it is on, it will lock that speed. But guys, I'm going to give you a good advice when you're doing it. Don't try this when you're in traffic. When you're going on long trips, on highways, you probably don't want your legs to be functioning all the time, so you need to use this cruise mode just to relax a little bit. But I advise not to use this a lot, because I did have a scene. I did meet with an accident in this vehicle because I was using this in traffic, and that's a bad sign, guys. So I'll just end this video over here. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos and a lot more fun, guys. See you soon.